The Dacia Bigster has achieved just 3 stars in the latest round of Euro NCAP safety tests. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into the Euro NCAP crash test results of the all-new 2025 Dacia Bigster, a budget-friendly SUV that's creating a lot of buzz. But how safe is it really? Let's break it down. Starting with adult occupant protection, the Bigster scored 69%. In the frontal offset crash, the passenger cabin remained stable, and both driver and front passenger had good protection for knees and thighs. However, the driver's chest protection was rated weak due to compression readings. In the side impact tests, including the more severe pole test, the Bigster performed very well, scoring full marks with good protection for all critical body areas. But there's a downside. In far-side crashes, the car lacks measures to prevent head contact between front occupants, leading to a poor rating for far-side protection. Moving to child occupant protection, the Bigster shines with an 85% score. It delivered excellent protection for both 6- and 10-year-old dummies in crash tests and earned maximum points in this category. Child seats are easy to install, and the passenger airbag can be deactivated when needed. When it comes to vulnerable road users, like pedestrians and cyclists, the score drops to 60%. The car offers good head and leg protection, but 0 points for pelvis protection. On the bright side, the automatic emergency braking system performed well with cyclists and adequately with pedestrians. Finally, let's talk safety assist features, where the Bigster earned 57%. It includes key features like autonomous emergency braking, AEB, lane keeping assist, speed limit recognition, driver fatigue monitoring. But it's missing a rear seatbelt reminder and child presence detection system, which held the score back. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Dacia Bigster offers solid safety for families, especially in side impacts and child protection. But there's room for improvement in chest protection and advanced safety tech. For a budget SUV, it's a respectable performance, though not class-leading. Would you trust the Bigster to keep your family safe? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more crash test breakdowns and car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.